Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get TikTok back from official App Store. So at first open your App Store, go to search option, search it to TikTok. So when I'm search it to TikTok but not showing it to TikTok apps, so don't worry, I'm provide a solution. So no need to change your region, no need to use VPN. So I'm provide full guide, so please don't skip my video, follow my all process. Okay, at first open your settings, click on to profile, view media and purchase. So look here, I am still now live in United States, no need to change region or without VPN. At first open your Safari browser, go to search option, search it to www. pluginchat.com. Okay, so this is a pluginchat.com website. So showing it to more apps. If you want to use CapCut and like I'm searching to TikTok. Okay, and just press on to select and start installation. Okay, installing. Okay, but you must be follow two condition to have required to install. When you complete this two app install, so at first click on. Okay, I'm already installed this and the another, and it's installing. You just wait complete process. So you just wait, you need to just complete install two apps. So I'm just wait. Okay, after complete download two apps, so successfully download two apps, and now I'm try to open App Store. Go to search option, search it to TikTok. So look here, now I'm finally get TikTok official apps. So you need to follow this whole process, then you finally get TikTok in your App Store. You just easily download from here. Okay, now downloading. Once complete download, then you just easily use TikTok without any hassle. So that's it, that's how you can do it.